Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Math for beginners, arithmetic. It is class 13. Title of this class is Subtraction of Fraction. Here we want to explain about this title, how to subtract 2 or 3 fraction. There are three steps to subtract fractions. Step 1, make sure that the denominator are the same. It is step 1. Step 2, subtract the numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator. Over the same denominator. Over the same denominator. Step 3, simplify Step 1, make sure that the denominators are the same. Step 2, subtract the numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator. Step 3, simplify the fraction if needed. It is step 3. Example, subtract the following fractions. 1, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. It is equal to, the denominators are equal, we take one of them, and numerators, we subtract the numerators, 3 minus 1. It is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 4. It is equal to, it is simply, we can simplify this to this fraction. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. Number 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. It is equal to First, we want to take here we have to take the LCM of these two numbers. LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. 6 is divided by 2 and 6 is divisible by 6. 6 divided by 2, 3, 3 multiplied by 1, 3 into 1, minus 6 divided by 6, 1, 1 into 1. It is equal to, if we multiply 3 times 1, 3 minus 1 times 1, 1 by 6. 3 minus 1, 2 by 6. It is the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. Then we divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. 2 divided by 1, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. It is equal to 1 by 3. Question 3. 2 by 5. It is 3. 2 by 6, it is equal to 1 by 3. Question 3, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. It is equal to, we take 20. 20 is divisible by 5 and also 20 divisible by 4. 20 divided by 5, and the quotient is 4 multiplied by 2 minus 20 divided by 4, 5, 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 1. It is equal to 20. 4 into 2, 8 minus 5 into 8, 5 into 1, 5. It is equal to 5 minus 8 minus 5, 3, 3 by 20. Here we have number 4, we have 70 by 12 minus 5 by 18. We want to solve this question. LCM of 18 and 12 is 36. 36 divided by 4 by 12. It is the quotient is 4. 4 into 7 minus 36 divided by 18. Quotient is 2. 2 multiplied by 5. It is equal to 4 multiplied by 7, 28, minus 2 multiplied by 5, 10, by 36. It is equal to 28 minus 10. 28 minus 10, it is 18. 18 divided by 36. If it is both of them divisible by 18. 18 divided by 18, 1. 36 divided by 18, 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Here is another example. Example 5. 2 and 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 and 1 by 20. It is mixed fraction or mixed numbers. So if we want to solve this question, first of all we change this mixed number to the fraction, also this mixed number to the fraction, then we subtraction. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 12 minus plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 multiplied by 20, 20, 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1 divided by 20. It is equal to 13 by 6 minus 1 by 8 minus 21 by 20. It is equal to, we want to take common denominator. LCM of the denominators is common denominator. So 6, 8, 20. we want to find the LCM of these numbers at 20. 6 divided by 2, also 8 divided by 2, b 20 also divisible by 2. 3, 4, 1, 0. Again by 2, 3, 2, 5. Again by 2, 3, 1, 5. By 3, 1, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1, 1. Here 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 3, 24, 24 multiplied by 500. 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 3, 120. 120 divide by 6, it is 120 divide by 6. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 0, 0 divided by 6, 0, 0 multiplied by 6, 0. Okay, now 20 times 20 into 6 into 13 minus 120 divided by 120 divided by 8. 1 multiplied by 8, 8, 4, 0, 5 divide multiplied by 8, 40. Here we have 15. 15 multiplied by 1 minus 120 multiply 120 divide by 20. The quotient will be 6. 6 multiplied by 21. It is equal to 2 into 30, 26, 0 minus 15 minus 6 multiplied by 21, 6 multiplied by 1, 6, 6 multiplied by 2, 12, by 120. It is equal to 120, 200. Here from 10 we subtract 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Here we have 5, here we have 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 245 minus 126. It is equal to, here we have 5. We take 1 from 4. Here it will become 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Here we have 2. Here we have 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Here we have 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 119 by 120. It is the answer of this question. Question 5, it is the answer.